Do you want to create low quality realistic sci-fi images? Let me show you how. So I was trying to create image for this title. Correct, scary things, discover scientists discover something scary. Okay, so first I went down and scrolled and found all the good pictures that are here. Then I scrolled on Google and tried to find good images. I like this one, and on Photoshop I removed all the things, text, etc., and put it all in the Midjourney. So if you write a prompt in the Midjourney, it will render high quality images. So I mixed and matched all the images that I found to make something cool. So I like the results for this one and for the lightning one, which is turning from the blue to green. Then on this I thought if there is that actual lab of the which is mentioned in the title, then it will look good. So I turned on the variation. Initially it was very flat, then I changed the prompt to spherical green labs found under the night sky. Then I liked the result for the number 3. The client also liked it, but there was something missing about these. So we went to Google and tried to open a portal to multiverse, which was a great idea. Initially I tried to, this was also very good. I tried to write a prompt without any reference, so it was rendering something like this. So I entered this as a reference image, and after that it was entering this, but portal to multiverse. So I increased the glowing, I made the prompt better. After that I increased the area of the variation, and it for the second version it already gave an awesome result. For the other one it was good, but it lacked something, it lacked realism. So I then found this image on Google again and removed the text from Firefly and put it all into Discord again. After that I used both of the images as a reference and write a good prompt like this, and it just gave awesome holographic cloud, glowing largest portal in the multiverse opened. So it gave awesome results, and this was the results. So after that, just a bit in Photoshop, I added high pass filter, and that was it. So if you like this, give it a like and tell me how you would have done something differently. Thank you.